Welcome to Task 5 of the CELPIP Speaking Test, Comparing and Persuading. You'll have 1 minute to prepare and 1 minute to speak. You'll get two options, and your job is to pick one and convince someone why it's the better choice. Let's see how to structure your answer and sound clear, confident, and persuasive. You'll read a short situation with two options, like moving to a new city or staying where you are, working full-time or part-time, buying a car or taking public transit. Then, you'll choose one option and explain why it's better for that person. Your answer must show clear reasoning and natural English, not just option A is better. Use your minute wisely. Decide fast which option you'll defend, then note two solid reasons and one short example. Plan how you'll start something like, if I had to choose, I'd go with option A because. Keep your answer organized. First, say your choice. Second, give two strong reasons with small examples. Third, compare a little with the other option. Finally, finish politely by suggesting they should take your choice. These are CELPIP-friendly phrases that make your ideas clear. Use comparative adjectives like better, safer, cheaper, easier. Link your points smoothly with first, also, besides that, that's why. To get level 7 or higher, you must take a side and defend it logically. Give two solid reasons and connect them with linkers. Say things like, option A is more reliable because, while option B can be unpredictable. Show confidence, but stay polite and friendly. That's persuasion done right. CELPIP examiners want organization, not perfection. Pick one option and stick to it. Give specific reasons and many examples. Compare briefly and end on a confident note. That's how you earn a level 7 or 8. Many people try to be neutral. Don't do that. Choose one side and stick to it. Avoid repeating the same word like good or better. Use variety. And fill the whole minute with your comparison and final recommendation. If I had to choose between studying online or in a classroom, I would definitely choose studying online. First of all, it's more flexible and saves time because I can learn from home without spending hours on transportation. Secondly, it's often cheaper than traditional classes, and I can replay videos anytime I need to review. Compared to in-person learning, it gives me more control over my schedule and learning pace. That's why I think you should consider online study. It's modern, practical, and perfect for busy people. Use this template whenever you practice. It keeps your answer organized and on time. Just swap your own ideas, and you'll instantly sound fluent and confident. These words make your comparison sound professional. For example, public transport is more affordable and eco-friendly than driving. Use connectors like besides that or on the other hand to link ideas smoothly. To ace Task 5, speak like you're talking to a friend who needs advice. Be clear, positive, and organized. Confidence and logic matter more than big words, so choose, compare, and convince. In our next video, we'll talk about Task 6, dealing with a difficult situation, where you learn how to handle problems politely and calmly. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.